Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test 500 grams oats powder on this ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. It's customized nitrogen gas filling device. Okay, let's run this machine to show you how it works. Look at this part. Here is our PID touch screen. Like length and any other parameters can set. Okay, let's start the machine. Okay, let's stop the machine. Let's check the finished bag. Any sealing of the bag. Vertical sealing of the bag. It is printing result. Vertical sealing of the bag.